Okay, so I just wanted to show you what the packaging looked like. I think it's a magnetic closure box, like the Chanel box. Is it? Oops, I don't want to break it. No, it's not. It's just like a regular box, as you can see. No corners messed up, but I don't care. Just a box. And always wrapped so nicely. Let me carefully take this off. Hold on. Tissue paper off. Got a nice dust bag. There she is in the colored chalk. There's her sister right there, but yeah, here she is in the colored chalk. It's kind of like an off-white. Really pretty, guys. Oh, what's this little mark right here? Oh, it came off. But yeah. That is her side by side. Yep. Okay, so there are levels to this. I don't know how I'm going to put this video up. I have already unboxed it, semi-unboxed it, and wasn't sure if I was ready to pull the plug on this bag, but I'm 100% sure now after speaking to my husband. So I have here the Coach Cassie in chalk. Gorgeous. So look at that. It is the pebbled leather. It's just like the Coach Cassie in black, but it's chalk. I haven't taken everything off of it yet because I was in kind of a dilemma on if I wanted to keep this or get the Tabby 26 in the color chalk. And I have an essay looking for one for me right now, thanks to DDG LA, Lisa, here on IG. Thanks, Lisa. And yeah, this is what it looks like in chalk. The inside has like a, I would say mustard, but I don't even know if I consider that mustard. It's like a camel tan type color. I'll go ahead and take everything out because I have a feeling that I'm leaning more towards keeping this bag anyways. So I'll keep all the stuffing good. And just because I am the person that I am, I will take all the stuffing out, even though I'm sure that you guys have seen 1,000 videos on this Cassie and what the inside looks like. So I'm just gonna do you guys a favor. All right. Here's the little stuff that keeps the bag fresh. And some more plastic here that I just removed. And some more paper because they're just, oh, so securing. I think I've gotten, no, we have more paper. And then we have some plastic that I'm not going to remove right now because if I get this other Cassie or Tabby, I want to make sure that I can leave this as in perfect condition as it came in. So here is this. I might have to see them side by side in person to decide which one I really want. But you guys, I'm actually kind of leaning more towards this. It is an off-white color. It has a little tab right here that you can get hot stamped that I obviously didn't get hot stamped. It also has this strap that you can remove and change the length on the strap. I am 5'6" and this can be worn. Oops, almost knocked you guys down. Let me scoot up. This can be worn as a crossbody, excuse my pajamas, but yeah, this could be worn as a crossbody, and I really like this. I feel like the Tabby on me and my height, 5'6", I feel like it would be like cut down to like, I don't know, here, and I don't know if that's really the vibe that I want. I kind of want it to look like my black Cassie. So I don't know, guys, it's a dilemma. So here's the thing. Do I just keep this completely packaged up and wait and see if Mel in, I think she's Michigan, Mel in Michigan can find me a Tabby. Then compare the two. Once I compare the two, make that decision. Or because I love this so much right now, should I just tell Mel that I'm not really interested in the Tabby 26 anymore? That way some other person who like truly loves it or wants it can maybe be higher priority on the list than me, and then I can just go ahead and love this bag. Like, this is a really nice bag. It really, really is. I know I'm in my pajamas. This is just me and part of real life. You get off of work, you shower, you eat, you shower, you open packages that came while you were at work all day, and then you kind of just watch a little TV, read your Bible, do whatever, and then go to bed. This is so classy. I love the fact that it's not stark white. Like, this paper is stark white. If you see the comparison there, that is more of the color it is. Stark white, chalk. Stark white, not stark white. So I kind of hope that explains everything to you guys. I'm looking forward to using this bag. I think I'm already calling it mine, and I'm about to snip this, but still wait for that Tabby. If you do have a Tabby 26 in the color chalk, let me know how you are enjoying it. If you're, and I'm a crossbody girl, I know either bags can go crossbody. So yeah, if you just think I should just go with this and keep it, let me know. If you think I should take a peek at the Tabby 26, let me know that also. I don't even know if I should go over all the features of this because there are so many videos out on this bag. It's just hard to find them in this color. A lot of them are in all the color block colors. But yeah, if you do have any questions regarding this bag, please let me know. I'd be more than glad to answer. Also, I did the whole gift wrapping thingy-majig. I'm not good at wrapping the ribbons, so I thought that this was, the magnetic one. And it's not. Obviously, my box is already like not so pretty, but I'm keeping it. You could just literally glue that. And it came with some ribbon and stuff. And that's about it. So yeah, guys, it is Monday. I hardly ever film on like Mondays because work calls in the morning. But yeah, I'll keep you posted on what I did with this. And if you guys watched my last video or a couple videos ago about my Impressions vanity light, all my bulbs work now, like all of them. So they corrected the problem. Everything's good. Company was great, and your girl's super happy. All right, guys, I need to get ready for bed, and I will get with you guys later this week or next week.